Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Rudy, here to bring you guys a new video. And my wife says that anything to do with bicycling is a good opportunity to make a video. So I sell, buy, trade bicycle stuff, and today I sold a bicycle that's not locally. It was asked to be shipped. So today we're gonna pack up a bike and ship it. So first off, I didn't have a bike box, so I went to my my closest bike shop and I just asked them, hey, do you guys have any bicycle boxes that would fit a medium framed hardtail that I could have? And the owner was like, yeah, hang on a second, let me go find you something. So we went and went in the back. He showed me the box. I was like, yep, great, this is gonna work. He left some packing material that's in there that we're going to use to help protect the bike for shipping. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So let's start packing up this bike and ship it. Oh, and if you guys didn't know, spoiler alert, it is the Chameleon. I finally am cutting ties with it, sadly, but it's gotta be used to help fund another project. And that's kind of what happens whenever you are in the business of buy, selling, and trade. You just can't keep them all. Let's get this thing packed up and shipped to its new owner. Also for packing material, because like I said, I've never actually packed a bike to ship, but I've received a few of them. So I know that it's smart to keep some bubble wrap. And I got these pool noodles left over that I'm gonna help support the bike in the box, so that whenever the frame and the wheels and stuff like that, just so to prevent chafing on any other components. I think these will do pretty good. I might have to cut them and stuff, but yeah, we're gonna use these. All right, so certainly the bike's not going to ship in its current state. I'm gonna start by taking off the front wheel, loosening up the stem cap bolts, just the stem bolts, so I can turn the handlebars, see if they fit that way. Make sure that I drop the seat and take off the pedals, and then I'm gonna see if the frame will fit in there like that, and then kind of pack everything up around it. Just real quick, I decided to get a couple of folds of cardboard. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick it in the front brake caliper and secure it somehow, probably with some tape. That way, during transport, the brake lever doesn't get accidentally pulled and then push the brake pads together. That would suck for the new owner. I'm just gonna take these pedals and wrap them up in some bubble wrap so that they stay somewhat nice for the new owner. Tape that up and ship it off with it. Not going to fit. Oh shit. No. Looks like I'm gonna have to take the handlebars off though. Those handlebars aren't gonna fit the way I'd like them to fit, so what do you guys think? Oh, that seat. Seat needs to go down just a little bit. Do I have any room to slide it down? Oh no, it's to the bottom. So either the seat post comes out or the seat itself has to come off. Now that I know how the bike is going to fit, I'm gonna take it back out, set it back up here on the rack. What my plan is I'm going to loosen up the handlebars and slide them and then secure them in a way that they'll fit into the box, but the new owner won't have to do much other than move the handlebars into the correct position and then tighten them down. I'll secure them in place so that they don't rub. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some protection on the bottom of the forks, because the bike's going to be resting on the forks through the through the shipping process, right? So I don't want them to like blow through the bottom of the box. And then I'm just going to take the seat off, and they'll have to put the seat on whenever they receive the product. Let's see how she fits now. Nice. Actually fits really nice. And now that's below. And then I'll find a place to secure the handlebars here nicely so they don't shape anything. All right, let me get you guys a little closer. So you can see I'm going to have to tie these up in a way that they're away from the stanchions. We don't want the stanchions to get marred up or scratched or anything of the fork. And then secure the handlebars so they're not just flopping around during transport. And throw the seat in there and maybe put some extra padding so that the thing kind of stays centered somewhat. And ship this bad boy off. Okay, I did kind of forget one of the key ingredients. I got to get this front tire in there somewhere and secure it so it's not bobbing around and moving all over the place. I let some air out of the tire, so that should help kind of mold it to whatever needs to be molded to. I got some room right in here, and I think that's where I'm going to slide it, and then I'm going to add some more foam. See, I put some foam pieces there, and then down there around the shifter and the seat post lever. That way it won't chafe, and it kind of helps it kind of stay more in place. And I think once I get this tire stuffed in here, it'll even kind of pack the bike in a little bit more. So let's try that. Tire in first. And the bike. Just get past it. Uh-oh, this might work. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Let's get this kind of stuff back in there. Foam there and there. I think we should be okay. That even kind of packs it in a little bit better. I'm going to try to put some Velcro around this tire so that, and I'm going to put it to this piece of foam that's around the stanchion. Oh yeah. Ha! That's going to work, and then that's going to keep it from like moving all over the place. Yeah. Look at that. Did y'all see that? I know it's dark down there, but look, we got that foam pinched in there. So this wheel, and then we got it strapped with the Velcro strap, so it shouldn't move. We're going to secure the handlebars, and we should be good to ship. All right, she's in there. I think I need to go grab some more tape. Resume. Oh my gosh. We're in the middle of moving, the process of moving, and take